I am often asked by executives, what should I do with my arms when standing in front of an audience? They mean what to do with these two long appendages when there's nothing to grab. You're not holding a microphone or clinging to a lectern. I will tell you what not to do, and then I'll tell you what to do. By the way, this question relates as well to posing for a photo. How often do you see a group of men posing for a photo with their hands clasped near their groin? Body language experts call this the broken zipper position. I prefer to call it the fig leaf pose because it appears to protect the private parts from a wicked frontal blow. This arm position is far more common in men than women for obvious reasons. Humans tend to hide the areas they think are the most vulnerable. Now, it's curious that our closest primate cousins, the chimpanzees, strike the same posture, except their hands cross at their knees. Another no-no is the crossed arm position. Now, men do this more often than women, but it's become more common among women in senior ranking positions. What does it mean? It means you're creating a barrier to other people. It signals you're defensive, nervous, and unapproachable. It may also signal a sense of superiority, prominence, another barrier to communication. Studies show that when you fold your arms, your credibility is dramatically reduced. So it works against you. And there's one more. Arms in the pockets, or a variation, thumbs in pockets. Those are also signals of shyness, discomfort, fear, nervousness, or apprehension. But hands in pockets are also a sign of the toughness of a cool rebel. Think about James Dean, the Hollywood icon. Now, both your arms and hands should remain visible to your audience at all times. They're part of your nonverbal language. So what can you do with your arms when standing to express confidence, comfort, and approachability? Simple. Let your arms take their relaxed position naturally. Here's what I mean. Raise your shoulders to your ears, take a deep breath, and release your shoulders quickly. What happens? Your arms fall naturally with a slight bend at the elbow. You don't need to do anything else. Try that when you pose for a photo. Stand slightly turned to one side, not full frontal, which creates a mugshot feel. Think about the angles. Stand about 45 degrees to the camera and shift your weight slightly forward. You will come across as poised, grounded, and open to communication. Try this tip and let me know how it feels. You can contact me at my website, rosemaryravinal.com. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And look for the Body Language Series playlist for a collection of tips and techniques to help you project confidence, poise, credibility with skillful nonverbal communication. Thank you for watching.